Hi, I'm Zach, WordPress teacher at Treehouse. And in this short course, we're going to show you how to install WordPress on your computer. When it comes to running WordPress, there are basically two ways you can go about it. One way is to run it on your computer. We call this local development because you're building or developing a site locally on your computer. The other way to do this is to use a web hosting service. We're going to refer to this option as live development because people can see the site live. There are a few pros and cons to both ways of running a WordPress site. For local development, the pros are that you could run it on your computer, it's free, and it's faster to make changes, which mostly applies to coders, although average users as well can see a difference. The cons, on the other hand, are that other people cannot view a local WordPress site. Additionally, some plugins may not work out of the box. For live development, the pros are that other people can view your site. And the cons are that you have to pay for hosting, and it can take a little bit longer to do updates. Again, this applies a little bit more to coders, but average users will notice a difference as well. Finally, you have to have an internet connection to be able to work on a live WordPress site. In this course, I'll show you how to install WordPress locally on your computer, since this is the easiest and most affordable way to start learning WordPress. To do this, we'll be using a piece of software called Desktop Server that lets us install WordPress on both PC and Mac computers. By the end of the course, you should feel comfortable installing multiple WordPress sites on your computer to practice working with. So, let's start off next with looking at how to install Desktop Server on a Mac and PC.